What's good with y'all? So back with another video, and today we're going to be trying to figure out the estimate on a paint job for the Camry. I'm going to get it done by Maaco, so that's what we're headed to early this morning. Just got the kids on the bus. But y'all want to see something crazy that happened the other day during this rainstorm? So this tree fell. Mind you, I just got the land cleared, like that area cleared off 6 months ago. And the one tree they decided to leave up fell and actually damaged the garage some. It's crazy right here. Kids were screaming like, "Daddy, Daddy, somebody at the garage." I'm thinking they were saying somebody at the garage the whole time. They were saying the tree fell and hit the garage. But look at this. As you see, the top of the roof is damaged up there. Good thing there's like no holes or anything. The windows in the back are still good, so the inside of the garage is still okay. So the inside of the garage is still okay, but still look how close it was. But getting back to this car, as you see, the body line and everything is perfect now. I do still have a little gap, but I'm going to also put another self-tapper right up here and pull this back up so it'll fill that up. The back part right here, what they would need to do is add a little Bondo and stuff, make it nice and smooth. As you see, there's little swirls in there from the sander, the grind, or whatever you want to call it. But the line itself is really sharp. I got them really sharp on both sides, so they pretty much just have to like a little bit Bondo, a little bit of sanding, some primer, and then paint it. Of course, in these areas, if I have to, I'll come back and sand it down and hit it with primer myself. These areas down here where I did fiberglass, it's like a little excess fiberglass. They probably need to sand that down, just make the car nice and smooth. The only damage that I would ask them to fix is this right here. See how much that's gonna cost. Other than that, the car just needs to be painted. I need to add the wheels to it. And my daughter will be with me today because my oldest and my youngest, they're in summer school. But my middle child, she's at home with me. So we're gonna probably go to the mall. She's gonna come with me to get a quote on this paint job. So y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Watch it all the way through. Let's see how much it's gonna cost to get a paint job from Maaco. My daughter hates riding in this car. What is that on the back of it? All of this, what is that? Can't be water because it would have dried up by now. Alright, let's get her a cold start real quick. Cold start for the Camry. Do I got the key? No, that's the only way we get a quote on this one. See how much it costs to get painted. Hey. So the battery situation the other day, I let it charge for a couple of hours, and I haven't had any more problems out of it since. But I don't know. I still hope it's not the alternator, because I didn't take it out too far, so there's no telling. But it don't seem like we having any other issues since then.
A few moments later.
Alright, we finally made it. Wasn't that bad of a ride. My riding partner fell asleep on me. But I want y'all to leave in the comments. Let me know how much y'all think it's gonna be to get everything done. Even if I have to replace the hood and the fender with a little damage, I'll probably do that the cheaper route if it costs too much. But y'all give me a amount, like just take a random guess and which I think it's gonna cost to get the car painted, fix the damage and everything. So this is my little shit box right here. So pretty much what I want done is just, I want to go. I did most of the body work as far. I just want. I think I'll probably end up replacing the hood, but I'm gonna go vents in there, so I'm gonna cut that out eventually, anyways. And it's just this little damage. Other than that, it's just pretty much sanding, making the body line smooth, and painting it. Like as you see right here, I just probably, because you see the little swirl marks. So I don't know if y'all go with Bondo and crap like that, or y'all do any type of work like that, or do y'all just paint?
I mean, we do paint and body work, but I mean, sanding is not gonna finish this. Like,
yeah, you know, I gotta go with Bondo and stuff, and then sanding it.
So, are you wanting me to do this? Are you doing this? Or?
I mean, I'm just trying to get a price for everything.
Okay.
Cause I got 2 other projects that I'm working on. I gotta cut that part out too, cause they gonna know what color I want. I said, what color that is?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm talking to my daughter. Yes, I gotta edit all of this out.
As far as other dents, are you worried about like the dings and the dent, stuff like that? Or just that one dent?
Well, yeah, y'all. I just noticed that. Yeah, cause y'all get whatever. Just want it looking good. Come on, buddy. All right, y'all leave in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, how much it's gonna be. That's to complete everything. All right, we got the estimate for everything. So do y'all want the one with body work or without body work and just paint? Yeah, we're gonna go with the one with the body work first. And here's that total amount for that one with all the work that we're talking about doing right here. Dents, door, rear, all of that, quarter panel. The total amount comes up to $6,044. Are you fucking kidding? So you know we're gonna have to do some work, because I'm definitely not paying $6,000 for this car. $6,000 to get this car painted and body work. All right. So now, without the body work and just paint, that's including the door jambs and everything, the total amount is $1,300. Mind you, over the years, I got 3 other cars painted. I had a whole SUV, an Expedition, painted here. And at that time, it was probably a few years ago, probably like 5-6 years ago. It cost me $800 to paint a whole SUV. But I didn't get the door jambs, but yet the vehicle the color wasn't changed. This is $1,300 just to paint a basic Toyota Camry. But Lisa said it will be the door jambs too. So if I didn't do the door jambs, let me see how much it's gonna be. So the overall paint is $13 for everything. Door jambs, it don't even show that price on here. I think back in the day it was like $100 for each door jamb, so it's 4. So you take maybe $400 off of that, which is going to give you a $900 paint job. Basically what I paid for an SUV anyways. So, oh, here it goes right here. Yeah, like I said, 400 extra. Focus. So $400 extra right here. See? right there. All 4 door jambs, $400. Like I said, so the overall price, boom, tells you right there, $800, which is crazy. Which is crazy to me. So at this point, I'm a little taken back. on the whole paint job at Maaco. It's a good price, but at the same time, it's a good price, but at the same time, do the job in my house. That's more content. Do the job in my house. That's more content. This car is not a car, and I'm like, man, this car is not a car. And I'm like, more than the car is worth. Matter of fact, the paint job is more than the car is worth. For me to spend $6,000 or $1,300 to get this car painted. But it's just a car that we're painting. So I'd rather take a chance and do the job myself. I actually know some people that paint. I actually got some people that paint. I got to invest in. They got equipment, or if I got to invest in, I think that's more find equipment myself. I think that's more on top of smarter thing to make content. On top of being able to make content, like the whole prepping and getting everything ready for paint, and all of that, getting everything ready to paint and all of that, instead of me just taking them to Maaco, getting the job, and picking the car done, getting the job done, from picking the car. It's just so frustrating. It's just so frustrating. Mocha frappe and I need my damn food. Mocha frappe and really let this process sink in. Really let this process sink in. Trying to figure out what we're going to do here. It's still going to get done pretty soon. I didn't even get a chance to show them the silica. I didn't even get a chance to show them the work on the silica. I think it's best for me. Like all the work on the silica. I think it's best for me to get painted the same color. Bring the car up. Mine getting painted the same color. Because silica changing color. So the silica is bring this up here. I'm gonna bring this up here and maybe tomorrow and see how much that's gonna cost. See how much that's gonna cost to paint. If anything, I can knock out 2 cars at once. If anything, I can knock out 2 cars at once and get the silica on the Camry myself and get the silica cars ready to go. But we have both cars ready to go. Yeah, but just a little frustrating. But yeah, I'm pick back up with y'all later.
Later that same evening.
All right, back at the house now. Got the car pulled into the garage. I'm actually redoing this whole video as far as me coming home, getting in the garage, because I was trying to just upload some of my video and stuff. Come to find out that a lot of stuff didn't get recorded, so I'm just going back over what I was talking about, which is pretty much me tapping in on this body work myself. I got the car in the garage, so I'm definitely not going to do anything today because I'm dressed pretty decent and I'm about to take the kids to a little pool party. But just touching in, I think they was really charging me to remove little dents like this. That's not gonna be that much work. Just little stuff. For $6,000 to do the whole body of the car is really too expensive. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to get in here. It's gonna be raining most of the day, so I can definitely utilize that time to go over little spots like this, get everything prepped. With the hood of the car, I was gonna add vents to the car, like some right here, well, one right here, or maybe one right here. But as you see, in this little area, it's rusted anyway. So I didn't know how low I was gonna go with the vent. So for me to replace the whole hood, I'm still undecided because I'm not sure whether I just want to have a new hood where I don't have to do no body work. And if I cut, where would I be cutting at? So it'll be like right here for the vents, or I don't know how I want to do it. But I could use this if I was going to add the vents and it would work perfect for me. Then this side, it's really not that much work, to be honest. Like the way the car looks, yeah, it looks crazy because it's painted doors and you see the body work that already started. But if you really look into it, it's like, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna spend a lot of time tomorrow, probably most of my day, getting this, putting fill over top of this. You can see the swirl marks from the sander, the grinder. And yeah, we just really gonna tackle this car tomorrow and get it all done. I'm gonna call around because I know some other people that actually paint, so that might be my next route. It's just the color paint that I wanna go with. I'll probably have to order that, buy that myself, because I doubt they'll be able to provide that. And yeah, that's gonna be it as far as this car. And for the interior is all good to go. I just gotta fix this part right here, and that's it. I could do that right now, but it's a solid car. It runs good, drives good. But this little piece right here, they was gonna fix that too. I don't know how well I can fix that, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Even if I gotta pull a fender, shouldn't be no more than $100. So it's better than $6,000. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna do it for this video. As y'all see, all the work we gotta put into this body just to save some money. And like I said, I'm gonna call around, see who we could get to help me with this paint job, order the paint, whatever it takes. We're gonna save thousands of dollars, even on the low end at $1,300 with the door jams and everything. If it comes down to it, I might have to do that if we can't find somebody to paint it, but we're definitely gonna do the body work ourselves to get that all done. So the next video, that's what I'm gonna pick up at. We're gonna take care of the body work, or at least get started on it. So until next time, y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. And until next time, I'm out.